Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can monitor the CPU temperature on your Windows PC in real time and display the temperature reading on the text bar. Let's jump into the screen.
First of all, open up a browser. A website link will be given in the description. Paste that link into the address bar and hit enter. When you're there, click on free download and then look for the executable that matches your PC. This is a Windows 11 machine, so I need the Windows version on the left. Click on free download, then click on local US. Close the ad and select a save location. After the download is complete, go to the save location. Double click on the file we just downloaded and install it normally. After the installation is done, click on Start. Once it's open, you'll see a lot of detailed information about your machine. We're going to ignore most of that for now and close this pop-up. In the main window, click on Sensors. When the Sensors window opens, scroll down until you find core temperature. Left-click on it to select it. Then right-click and select Add to Tray. Now go to the taskbar and open the system tray. Here you'll now see the temperature being displayed in red. If you hover over it, it will show you the minimum, maximum, and average temperatures along with the current package temperature. Sometimes it shows on the main taskbar, but if it doesn't show on the main taskbar like mine, you will find it in the hidden icon section. Just click the arrow, then drag the temperature icon onto the main taskbar area. You can also customize the color if you don't like it in red. Hover over the icon, right click, and choose Change Color. Now pick the color you prefer and click OK. Now you'll see your CPU temperature displayed in real time on your taskbar. One more important thing, you'll want to make a quick change in the program settings so it starts automatically when you reboot your computer. Go up to Program, then Settings, and make sure Auto Start is checked. Click OK after that. Just minimize the program, don't exit it, minimize it, and let it run in the background. And there you have it, a nice and simple way to see the live real-time temperature of your Windows CPU right from the taskbar.